Welcome to another Zenler Hack. So in this Zenler Hack, what I want to talk about is SEO, so search engine optimization. Yeah, it sounds complicated, but it's not. So it's as complicated as you want it to be, but we're going to stick with something really simple, and that is just making sure all your pages contain a little bit of copy on what they contain. So you're going to make sure that you've got a nice little image to upload, that you've got the title is nice and clear and says exactly what the page does, like SEO for beginners. This, and then the short description might be, this is a course for beginners learning SEO. This will help jet propel your business in the right direction. So that's the kind of thing that you could do for like an SEO page or a page in your site, landing page. But what I'm telling you is every single page that you have in your Zenler site, check that you've done the SEO for. Now I have people come back and say, yeah, but what about private pages? No one's going to see them. Why would I SEO it? Because you should do every page. It doesn't matter whether that page is private or not. Get into the habit of doing it. Otherwise you become lazy and you forget. You'll go in a page and not bother SEOing it. It's actually a public page, but you've forgotten because you haven't got in that process. Make it part of your process. It's not a big thing to do. So if you're setting up a course access page, you spend a lot of time in the course access page. Why wouldn't you spend 5 minutes SEOing that page, even though it's not found? Okay, it's just what you do. You should do it on every single thing you have. Even media you're putting up for social media, you need to make sure that it's clear messaging. The amount of times I've seen social posts go up with nothing in there, no call to action, nothing, just like someone doing something. Oh, that's good, I'm a course creator, look, light bulb over my head, yeah, but where do I go from here? And you have it all the time, and this is just part of SEO, is clear messaging and getting that message across to them and having somewhere to go to you. Otherwise what you're doing is a complete waste of time. All right, so it's pretty big to say that, especially when it's your site. And we get it all the time. The amount of people say, oh, why is this default copy in here and this default image? How can I change this? And that means to me that they haven't done any of their pages. So they're asking about this one page, but they haven't done any of their pages. So if you are one of those guys that is not doing it, okay, check, spend the day and go through your site and make sure that you have put SEO into your site. This is a big Zenler hack and tip for you today from Sri Lanka.